Holy 10 posts another announcement with soldier's video clip. The 11th of September 2025. By investigations reporter vertical bar Zim I, rapper Holy 10, real name mnangagwa Chitsama, has again stirred debate after publishing a video on Wednesday morning showing himself with members of the security forces. The musician, known for being the only ZANU PF artist to publicly challenge self-styled prophet Hubert Angel, posted the footage amid ongoing controversy involving President Emerson Mnangagwa's twin sons, Collins and Sean. Chitsama recently accused Collins Mnangagwa of abusing property rights, claiming the president's son sent soldiers to reclaim a Harare house he had previously gifted him. The allegation followed widespread complaints from Harare residents that Collins was taking over a road in the capital. Videos of Chitsama making the claims circulated on Sunday before being swiftly deleted, with subsequent Twitter posts alternating between accusatory messages and public apologies. The Mnangagwa twins have yet to respond. Holy 10 has previously accused Hubert Angel of exploiting women in his church, a claim he first raised in March during a podcast appearance. He later issued a conciliatory statement titled PAAKATAIKA, admitting the situation had been a mess. Zim I investigations suggest that Holy 10's behavior mirrors that of other whistleblowers who have come forward with abuse allegations against Angel since 2015, speaking out, only to retract or appear disoriented shortly afterwards. Some observers speculate that whistleblowers have been intimidated, poisoned, or drugged into silence. A 2015 case involved a woman, identified only as Nyari, who initially accused Angel of sexual abuse, but later recorded a video retracting her claims, calling him a father. Contacted for comment, Hubert Angel dismissed the allegations. Moral failure is not a crime, he told Zim I. The fresh video by Holy 10, coming amid allegations of military involvement in private property disputes and past claims against Angel, adds further uncertainty to both his personal credibility and the broader controversies surrounding Zimbabwe's ruling elite and religious leadership.